Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. This is Prophet. This is Prophet PFP Mapuma, and I am Prophet Exarabat. That's
Professor
Beekman.
Professor Beekman.
I'm Prophet Imshabrangam Tikbran Kumchamzi.
Yeah.
I can say again, I'm Professor Rangum Chantin Shapra. I can say it again. I say I am Prophet Kupram Shamcha. I'm Prophet Mchamcha Brangumzi. Say my name. Say my name before I bless you.
My name.
Say my name before I bless you.
Touch the screen or say my name on the screen. Wherever you are.
Tell them.
Yeah. Touch the screen wherever you are. The money gonna follow you. I'm done. I'm done with you today. With the name of God, everybody gonna be blessed today.
I didn't say the name of God.
Sure.
He said the name of God.
Me, I didn't
say the name of God.
Me, I believe in God.
I didn't say that in my own name. In NKUPI's name. In NKUPI's name. I say, I am Prophet I am Prophet Say it, and you have 200. I give you 200.
Money on your pocket
I
from
give
nowhere.
You 200. I prophesy a GTI and a Jeep will pass here. I prophesy a Jeep and a GTI will pass here. I didn't know. A Jeep and a GTI will pass here.
Just pass here.
A Jeep and a GTI. I prophesy. Touch your screen right now and tell me what you want. Touch the screen and tell me what you want.
No, this is your event.
If you say naked, if you say naked, you want. If you say naked, you want. It's say naked, you get. In my church, you tell the truth. Tell the truth what you want. If it's say naked, you get it. If it's this guy, you get it. If it's this guy, you get it. You want this guy. You've been singing all along. So you've been singing for a while. You've been cutting your eyebrows and throwing them again just for a guy. I give you this guy. I prophesy this guy wants you. I prophesy that guy wants you. So you are a woman, you are suffering. Touch my screen right now. Touch your camera right now. If it's a naked you want, it's a naked you get. This is my church after all. This is my church after all. I choose. I choose what to get. I choose. If it's that guy you want, if it's that guy you want screaming right there, this one, I will give. I will give. If it's that one, it's me. If it's those 2 ones in the reflector, if you are having problems in your relationship, even
the woman, you can give you the woman.
If it's the woman you want, I can give every woman. You want her, you want this woman. If you want her, touch the screen right now and I'll send it to you. Touch your screen right now. I say touch your screen and you have a woman. Touch that. You want me giving you woman. You don't want woman. What do you want? It's Heineken you want. I'll give you Heineken. I prophesy Heineken is coming to you. Heineken is coming to you. I do not want to lie. I do not want to lie. I prophesy 4 guys without girlfriends are going to come here. I prophesy 3 guys without girlfriends are going to pass here. They do not have girls.
Tell you for girls.
I prophesy. So if you want anything, touch the screen right now. Touch your screen right now. Touch your screen.
This is Pastor NKUPI Opragaja from Nigeria.
So if your boyfriend is giving you a problem,
must use the
if your boyfriend is dating someone else, you shouldn't be angry. A guy like this will come. A guy like this will come. He will be wearing Timberland.
Yeah.
He will be wearing Timberland.
And
having a big bag of clay.
He wants me to bless my God.
He will just come to you. He will come to you. If you don't know where we are, he will Uber. If you don't know where we are, he will Uber.
Look at the power of God. It just gave him this one. If you want this one, touch the screen.
I didn't say go. If a drug like this, If you want a track like this,
life.
you want a track like this, you will get it. Just tell me.
You want who?
Just tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. If it's a woman you want, if it's a woman you want, comment on this video. If your boyfriend is giving you problems, take this brick, put it in your pocket, go outside in the street, start jumping.
No, look at this guy. No, man, women are looking for you. Why you run? I know, so.
I say, if your boyfriend is giving you a problem, call the people with the gun. They shoot him. They shoot him. Or you take this brick, put in your pocket, start jumping. And you see what you when you jump, you go into the street. Men are gonna see your punani snash. The fuck? Punani and nyash. And they're gonna see, and cars will stop. Cars will stop.
Those guys will.
The robot is gonna open. I was gonna go that side, but the robot is gonna open. You see power of this brick. This brick.
No, but you have to sing. You should sing.
What do you want me to sing for you now?
You have to sing.
What do you want me to sing for you?
Any song.
Tell me. Say it.
The religion song.
Aye, Come now. If you don't wanna be loved, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. So Jim Jesso, what else want me to sing? Jim Jesso, you think I'm you?
Yeah, we're done for the day. We're done for the day.
I don't just sing. Jim Jesso, let me tell you something. You and me are not same water. You and me are not same water. So you're not gonna tell me to sing. I can't sing. And it's late now. It's late now.
Any song, which song, any song.
It's late at night, eh? But if you want me to sing, it's fine. I'll see. I'll see. Provided you just share this live video. Provided you share my video, I can just come up and sing for you. You're not special.
For the what?
Huh? You're not special. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money right now.
Hey, look, hey, niggas are signing in.
I prophesy. I prophesy. I know everything in this world. Just tell me what you want. Tell me what you want and I give. I give. Tell me what you want, I give right now. I prophesy. 2 guys and a girl will pass here. I prophesy. I prophesy. They just did that. And they are going to buy pizza. They'll come back with pizza.
Pizza for you.
I'm telling you right now. So if you go to YouTube and say NKUPI, you will find your husband. It's not me. They might look like me, but it's not me. I'm not your husband. I do not have what you want, which is money. I am only giving my girlfriend. And she's watching this right now. I know. I know.
You just did much. What much?
I know. You did what? You did what? You don't come here and claim me, yo. Don't come here and claim. You don't know me, yo. You just have too much data in your boat.
Pull it all. Pull it all.
You just found me. I prophesy, guy's gonna pass alone. He's gonna pass alone.
You don't have a girlfriend.
No girlfriends, no nothing. No nothing. But me.
No, man, I want. Look at this person, like he wants you to sing for her.
Who wants me to sing?
Pull it all. Pull it all. Okay.
I see me. Where have you been up? So all this time you've been alive and you just want me to sing for you.
No, Pastor,
you've been alive and have been avoiding me. I've been sending you DMs. You don't know, you no reply. But now you wanna come here and tell me to sing. Where were you? Girl, please stand properly. Don't come in, don't jump steps. Let's go back to DM. You say hi.
Look at the car.
You say hi. I say hi. You say I'm far. I say good, wood. You reply all those things first before I sing for you. You can't just start and sing for you.
Yeah, you should reply my pastor before he can sing for you.
You won't get it.
Yeah, you don't respond. Like when I was trying to highlight you, and I just...
I prophesy.
Boom.
I prophesy. You want a boyfriend? I say, if you are a cute girl, DM me right now. If you are ugly, you ignore. If you are ugly, you ignore. A good girl will prophesy and DM me right now. Do that. I give you 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds to DM me. And then you have a nice guy. You have a nice guy talking to you. So guys, you don't know. You don't know. Guys, I've been with Prophet Mbapuma. He wasn't showing himself. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. But he just told not to show himself, so it's not everyone's fault.
Me now I'm tired. Okay, if you are ugly, do me. Oh, what the fuck? What do you mean my posture is ugly? If you are ugly, do me. OMG, okay? It got dark.
It got dark so quick, Muluko.
Okay, then
1 minute we were taking a video so nice, now it's dark.
Oh,
you know you girl, you like me and you just comment on Facebook. When you see me, you ignore me. Why? Why do you ignore me on campus? Now I'm sleeping alone in this room. I'm with a guy, look. But I'm not gay. Why you ignore me?
No,
on
we're
campus?
not gay, bro. Hey, no.
Why you ignore me on campus?
How can I be
Hey,
gay? What do you want?
look at this guy. Look. Look. He just took an oncoming route. He's an oncoming route.
You're taking an advantage. Shit.
So people, okay guys, jokes off now. Thanks for watching.
Hey, man,
We really using that.
really fucking charged. Really fucking charged. And then, okay, 2 minutes curse in the tell her who.
No, don't switch it off. Let's just go in.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
You should get inside. Hey, man, don't do with your drunken.